Oh. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, good fish. This is over 3 pounds right here. What a brute. Hey gang, it's me, it's Ola. I'm coming at you from my new favorite stream. Actually, this has been my favorite stream the whole trip. This is just a great little fishing hole. It's close to where I camp, and it hasn't let me down. I got out here before dawn even. It was, probably 5 something. Dogs woke me up at 3, so I went ahead and got ready and came out. But I wasn't expecting much, but I got 20 bass, including 2 that were right around 3 pounds. Got some for my 2 tournaments. I'm sure I've met my limit for both, but I'll put those leaderboards right here. You have the KBF Maine State Challenge, and we have the Women's Fishing Federation September slot tournament. And we have the Catch 22, which I'm still hovering somewhere in the top 10. So today's bait, I caught them on several, but the number one bait, no surprise, it was the Nico rig. That bait, this is like my tiny child a couple of years ago where I just could not miss. Same thing with the Nico. It is fabulous. The fish can't seem to get enough of it, and even when I'm rigging it weedless, my hookup ratio is very close to perfect. Just an amazing day. I didn't go too far, maybe 5 miles, maybe 4 hours or so. Mainly concentrated in the stream and the mouth of the lake. We have rain. It's spitting right now. I had to put on my rain gear once while I was out there. The next few days look like they're going to be kind of rainy, and I'm hoping on Monday I get my new GoPros and we'll do an unboxing and a first look. I'm going to miss it when I have to go back to Florida, guys. These fish are so aggressive. They're not big buckets like we have down in Florida, but these northern largemouth, they fight twice as hard. And then we have the smallmouth, which I didn't get any today, but when you get on a good smallmouth, that's one heck of a fight. So how about if I just roll you today's Saturday morning, overcast, gloomy, misty, phenomenal fishing footage. Good morning, folks. 5:35, Saturday. I'm out here in, that's bright, the local stream. Right now it's a calm morning, but we got some wind coming and we're going to be overcast. Hopefully no rain, but you know how that goes. So I'm going to fish the stream, and if it starts looking like ugly weather, I'll just pack up and head back to the campground. So, how about if you just come along with me here in the dark for now. Should be getting light soon, light enough. And we'll see if we can put some fish in the boat. Let's go. Oh, my word. First dink of the day. Jeez Louise, look at that joker. I'll put him up there in the silhouette. First fish of the day. Thanks, little fish. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a good one. Oh, so shallow. He was up on the bank. Oh, come here, you. He was way up on the bank. Come here, fish. He's taking me for a little sleigh ride. Oh, gosh. He's trying to go under the boat. Oh, he's going to take me back this way. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, what a nice fish. What a beauty, guys. What a beauty. Oh, my gosh. That's 2.5 pounds. That is a little butterball. Just a butterball. Let's get this one on the board. That's in the slot. Way up there. I think they're just trying to stay warm, maybe. It was in the 50s last night, but the water temp is at 69 right now. So yeah, they're trying to just stay warm. What a gorgeous fish. It's rated as like a 4.5 on the Bass app. It's kind of dark, so you won't see much. That is not even a 16-inch fish, but man, is it strong. $15.75. Thank you, fish. Beaver. It's a perfect day for a spinnerbait. There's one. Oh, he got off. He got off. Perfect day. Low light, ripple on the water, slight breeze. There's a lot of grass down there I'm hitting. All right, we got too much grass. One more cast on this side. I think it's going to come up full of grass. Yeah, too much grass. Let's go back to my trusted, dusted Nico rig. I think that's grass. Grass should be dying off and disappearing. It's dying, all right, but it's not gone. Let's try this side. That big fish had me hopeful back there that I caught. Oh, there's a bite. That's a good one. Ah, it's a daggum pickerel. Daggum pickerel. Oh, fish. This dude is wild. Woo! That's the second pick. That was a good hit. I think I'll go back down into the stream. There's just too much grass on this end. So far, I've not caught anything on the bull shad in Maine. Have not. Nothing giant. Oh, nice jump. Nice jump. Boy, that's a fighting fish. That's a fighting fish. Nah, he's decent. He's maybe 14. Ooh, barely hooked in the roof of his mouth. Barely hooked, that joker was. That's a 14er, probably. Little pit bull. He just bit me. Yeah, he's a 14er. 14er on the nose. Thank you, fish. Oh, that was a good. Oh my gosh, a giant bass just tried to get it from the other bass. This is a good one. The bass that tried to get it was twice as big. Well, maybe not twice. He came from the deep water over yonder. All right, fish. Wow, that was a great eat. I saw the whole thing go down. Ragged edge. It's not very big. It's not a long bass, but it's healthy. Oh, I wish I would have gotten the other one too. He almost hit it and took it from this bass. Thanks, fish. Thanks, fish. Oh, what a lip on this dude. All right, let's let him go. Come here. Come here, Bubba. Bass number 4. That's a good one. Thank you, fish. Oh, that's a good fish. Or it's wrapped around something. Oh, I think he was wrapped around a branch. He's not as good as I thought. But he was down in here. He's all right. He's all right. Getting some good healthy bass. There we go. He was wrapped around that tree right there. I thought I had a giant. All right, let's just get him measured so we can get off this tree here. Ow. A whopping 14, but he's so healthy. Thank you, fish. The bite's not bad, guys. For the cruddy weather, I would have thought it would be not as good as it is. I'll take it. That was a cool catch. Just snatched him. I watched him come and get it. Just snatched him out. Too small though. Thank you, fish. Little dude. Tiny dude. On a big piece of timber. I'm not gonna measure him. Thank you, fish. Ow, he just spined me. Oh, good fish. Oh my gosh, come here. That's a good fish. They weren't hitting the crankbait, so I decided to throw the Nico down in there. Oh, this poncho's making it real hard. Oh, that's a beauty. Look at this, guys. Look at that joker. I'm sure you can't see much. Oh, beautiful hook set too, right in the nose. That dude wasn't coming off. Yeah, that's probably 16. You know, the rain poncho's nice, but this thing's in the way. It is very, you know what, I'm gonna take it off. It stopped kind of misting. I will just throw it in my box. and have it at the ready. Boy, that's a big hassle. I had some plastic red one. It was cheap, but it actually worked. And it was much smaller than that frog one. Oh yeah, that's a pretty fish right there. All right, let's get rid of him. He's a good, healthy fish. There was another follower too. Okay, let's get rid of him. Thank you, fish. Bass number 11. Thanks, fish. Thank you, fish. 13 and a quarter. 14.5. Oh, that's a tank. This is a tank. Or else he's wrapped. Oh, come on out. Come on out. Oh, it's a good fish. It's a good fish. Oh, no, don't jump. Do not jump. Got her. Whew. That's a beauty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's a beauty. Wow. Had a really good hook set. There we go. That is a beauty. That's close to 3. Not super long, but still, I believe that's close to 3. Might be safe from the rain. What a beauty. That's a decent fish. Let's let this beast go. A whopping $16.50. She looks bigger because it's such a thick fish. Thank you, fish. What a beauty. Another one. Small. Oh, he let go of it, then he came back. 3 times, guys. Wowza. That was aggressive. That was super aggressive. Look at that joker. He chased it. He came out of the water after it. Wow. Just a little side note. Somebody asked me if I would show them my Nico rig setup. So this is the weight. It's just a 1/32 ounce Mustad Titan X nail weight. And I have size 2. This is an M&M's container. A size 2 EWG hook. It's a little grip pin. It has a little tiny shoulder on it that holds the rubber on. So that's my setup for the Nico. And 9 times out of 10, I rigged that weedless because, as you can see, like today, I'm throwing in a huge amount of grass, wood, no rock here, but grass and wood. So this is how I actually rig it. You would normally put a Nico rig down here like such, but you'd go through the plastic here like this. That's your normal Nico rig, but you see you got an exposed hook and that catches everything. So what I do is just slide it right on up the shank up and over that little grip pin right there. See that? And then I just bury the tip in the plastic like that. Put it through and then push it right back in, so you have this set up instead. Now, maybe the hookup ratio is not as good, but I don't have any problems hooking up with fish on that technique. So that is my Nico rig setup. 13.5. Thank you, fish. Such a healthy fish. The water has finally hit 70 degrees. It's been flirting with that all morning. So we are there. And the bite's been kind of pretty much on. Dang, I got another cut. The bite's been on all morning, really. Not on fire, so to speak, but steady. So I'm almost back to my truck, but I'll keep fishing. Number 19. Let's fish. Oh. A bass or a pick. It's kind of big, whatever it is. Oh, it's a nice bass. Nice bass. Another one just under 3. Oh, this is over 3. This is over 3 pounds right here. What a brute. Oh gosh, look guys. Oh my word. I literally ripped his lip. The only reason I got him is because he has a tough lip. Oh, that's a good one. Sorry for the noise, but you know, I'm almost back to my launch. What a fish. I threw the fluke and he hit it. So I turned around and went in with the tiny, or the not big, still unbelievable fish. This one's right around 3 pounds, I can tell. Wow, what a fish. There you go, best fish of the day. Maybe not the longest, I can't remember, but the heft, he's pretty thick. Pretty thick. It's close to 3. Thank you, fish. What a beauty.